And Barack and I were raised with so many of the same values.
From a young age, my parents impressed on me the values.
You work hard for what you want in life.
That you work hard for what you want in life.
That your word is your bond, that you do what you say you're going to do.
That your word is your bond, and you do what you say and keep your promise.
We want our children and all children in this nation to know that the only limit to the height of your achievements is the reach of your dreams and your willingness to work hard for them.
We want our children in this nation to know that the only limit to your achievements is the strength of your dreams and your willingness to work for them.